What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, How to Add GIFs or GIFs to Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMan. Let's begin by opening a new tab and type this. While you are on the site, let's go to the search bar and type what kind of GIF or GIF you want, like mine, buy now. After you type that GIF, you want to search for, just click the search button. As you can see, as you can see, These are the GIFs that show the buy now GIF. So I choose one like this one. So click it. While we are in the GIF you choose, click the embed tab. While we are in the embed tab, copy the link. After you copy the link, let's go back to Shopify. While we are in Shopify, click the online store tab. In the online store tab, click customize. While we are in the customize tab, it's up to you where you want to put your GIF, like mine. I'm going to put my GIF in the header by clicking the add section. While we are in the add section, choose custom liquid. From here, let's paste the GIF into the liquid code on the right side of your page. Click save, and there you have it. That's how to add a GIF on Shopify. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.